Yeah, okay. Strength is 25. Let's wait for two more minutes till 11:10. Let's wait. Third unit. It's the option is up to you. If you want me to start the third unit, I'll do it. Guys, on your cameras, all of you. Are you solving the question? The first question. You are supposed to tell me when P1 is completing, when P2 is completing, and when P3 is completing. Because here you have the answer, you can simply say the order. I don't want that. I want you to solve this. And you are supposed to tell me when P1 is completing, when P2 is completing, and when P3 is completing. Guys, on your camera so that I can see you. 519, 7F, 64, 67, 6D, 7D, 63. Please, all of you on your cameras. Using FCFS, 72 or round robin? Let's see the other answers. P2 at 11, I guess. Consider the arrival times. Yes, you are not getting me. I am asking you to on your cameras, all of you. Okay, let's take the attendance. Otherwise, you will not. You can't hear me. Guys, my voice is not audible. Taramtej's problem is at your end, maybe. It's breaking. Okay. Guys, my internet connection is good only. I'm talking in the same frequency as I talk in all the classes. 61, 62, 63.
Present, ma'am.
కెమెరా ఏమైందమ్మా? Can I ask you the question? You have any topics you want me to repeat, or shall we discuss the MCQ bits? I'll ask you the questions. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I will ask you the questions. You are supposed to answer the questions. Okay, is it okay? Okay, I am asking you the bits. Operating system acts like a dash as it decides between the conflicting resources for efficient and fair resource use. Resource manager, control program, both none. OS acts like dash as it decides between the conflicting request for efficient and fair resource use. Resource manager, control program, both none. You can type your answers. Guys, what happened? You are getting me, no? Yes, resource manager. OS acts like a dash as it controls execution of programs to prevent errors and improper use of the computer. The options are same: resource manager, control program, both, none. Control program, right? Yes. Uh, Operating system interacts with dash: hardware, software, users, programmers. Answers are here, ma. You can again. I need to.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, 69 was present, ma'am. I have a network issue, ma'am.
69. 1 second. Let me update. 69. Okay. Right. OS interacts with dash: hardware, software, users, programmers. User directly interacts with computer. Hardware. Yes, very good. Yeah. A computer system can be divided roughly into dash components: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Very good. Yes. OS manages memory, processor, I/O devices, all of the above. OS manages all. Very good. Yes, yes. The one program running all the time on the computer is dash. I will not give you the options. You are supposed to give the answer. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. The programs which are associated with the operating system but are not the part of the kernel are called control programs, system programs, application programs, update programs. Yes, Akash, very good. Yes, system programs, right? Dash includes all programs not associated with the operating system. Control programs, system programs, update programs, application programs. Dash includes all the programs not associated with the operating system or the operation of the system. Application programs, very good. A program in execution is called, I'm not giving the options here. A program in execution is called process, very good. For a computer to start running, it needs to have an initial program to run. What is that initial program? Bootstrap. Very good, very good. The occurrence of an event is usually signaled by dash from either hardware or software. The occurrence of an event, interrupt, very good. Software interrupt is called system call. Hardware interrupt is called software interrupt is called system call. Hardware interrupt is called you can call it as trap, right? operating system is dash. Non-interrupt driven, interrupt driven, both none. Interrupt driven. Okay, fine. Main memory is dash in nature. Volatile, non-volatile, may or may not be volatile, none. Main memory is volatile. Multi-programming of computer system increases dash. Multi-programming of computer increases dash. CPU utilization, very good. Multiprocessor systems are also known as parallel computers, tightly coupled systems, loosely coupled systems, both A and B. Multiprocessor systems are also known as parallel, tightly coupled, loosely coupled, both A and B. Yes, parallel is correct, tightly coupled also correct. So both A and B is the answer. Dash is the amount of work that a computer can do in a given period of time. Dash is the amount of work that a computer can do in a given period of time. Throughput, very good. Logical extension of multi-programming of operating system is dash. Multitasking, time sharing, both A and B, and single programming. Logical extension of multi-programming of operating system is dash. Time sharing, multitasking, both A and B, single both. Very good. Dash allows multiple hosts to access the same data on the shared storage. Serial cluster, parallel cluster, both A and B, and none. Dash, very good. In which mode two or more hosts are running applications and monitoring each other? Symmetric, asymmetric, hot standby mode, and all of the above. In which mode two or more hosts are running applications and monitoring each other? Yes, symmetric is the, yes. In asymmetric clustering, other processes perform operations while one processor will act like a dash. Master, slave, peer, all of the above. Yes, master, very good. Kernel mode of operation is also called as privileged mode, system mode, supervisor mode, all of the above. Yes, all of the above is the correct. You can call it as system mode, or you can call it as privileged mode, or you can call it as supervisor mode, whatever, right? So dash bit is added to the hardware of the computer to indicate the current mode. Kernel bit, user bit, mode bit, system bit. Mode bit, very good. A logical extension of multi-programming is dash. System resources of computer system can be utilized better in dash. multi-program environment, single program environment, dual program environment, and core environment. System resources of the computer can be utilized better in dash environment. Multi-program, single program, dual program, core environment. In the multi-program environment. Yes. Job pool is the program of operating system that is located in dash, RAM, ROM, hard disk, CD. Hard disk, very good. Response time in the time sharing of operating system is usually dash. I'm not giving the options for this. You're supposed to tell me. Response time in time shared system of operating system is usually dash. You want options? 1 millisecond, 1 second, less than 1 second, more than 1 second. Yes, less than 1. Very good. For avoiding programs of operating system to get stuck, we use dash. Trap, timers, process, programs. For avoiding programs of operating system to get stuck, we use dash. Trap, timers, process, programs. Yes, very good. Timers is the correct answer. Yes, address of interrupt programs of operating systems are placed at RAM, ROM, interrupt vector table, interrupt service routine. Address of interrupt programs, yes, vector table. Yes, vector table correct. Service routine kaadu. Vector table. User mode of operating system runs when the mode bit is dash. Very good. Kernel mode of operations runs when the mode is 0. Very good. Yes, listen carefully. If several jobs are ready to be brought into memory, and if there is not enough room for all of them, the system must decide through dash. CPU scheduling, job scheduling, swapping, none of the above. If several jobs are ready to be brought into memory, and if there is not enough room for all of them, the system must decide through dash. Sima, it is job scheduling. Main memory lo pettadanike place ledu. That can be done by job scheduling. Once they are in main memory, which job to be given to the CPU can be done by CPU scheduling. You should understand, right? You are getting me? You should understand the difference between job and CPU. See, there are many programs to be done, but your main memory is not sufficient. Then what we do, we put them in the job pool. From the job pool, job will be picked to put it in the main memory. That is called job scheduling. And from the main memory, a job is selected to give to the CPU. That is CPU scheduling. Clear now? Now, If several jobs are ready to run at the same time, the system must choose among them. Making this decision is called dash. You can answer directly. Several jobs are ready to run. The system must choose among them. Making this decision is called CPU scheduling. Very good. Dash is the technique that allows the execution of a process that is not completely in main memory. Virtual memory, physical memory, logical memory, all of the above. Dash is a technique that allows the execution of a process that is not completely in memory. Virtual memory, very good. When we use this virtual memory concept is when your program is very big than the main memory, you cannot load the entire program, right? For that, what we do is we initially load what are the instructions that are required to start the execution. Then after we will be moving the instructions from the secondary memory to the main memory, right? So that concept is called virtual memory. At system boot time, the hardware starts in dash. Kernel mode, user mode, both none. Kernel mode, very good. The dash is the method used by a process to request action by the operating systems. You can directly answer, I guess. Dash is the method used by a process to request action by the operating system. Very good. System call is the correct answer. Dash is the mechanism for controlling access of processes to resources defined by the operating system. Dash is the mechanism for controlling access of processes or users to resources defined by the operating system. Yes, protection. Very good. Dash provides features between systems across network. Distributed operating system, network operating system, grid, web. Dash provides features between systems across network. Distributed operating system, network operating system, grid, web. Distributed is only to share the resources, ma? Yes, network operating system is the correct answer. Dash provides virtualization services. Dash provides virtualization services. VMM, VMX, VOX, VXI. VMM, very good. Yes, yes. Dash available via internet to anyone willing to pay. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud. Public, yes. Public, anyone can use anyone can use the services, but you are supposed to pay for them. Private means you are supposed to purchase some how much you require, right? That is dedicated to you only, right? Not available to everyone. Dash includes both the public and private cloud components. Public, private, hybrid, all. Hybrid. Platform as a service, it is a software stack ready for applications, ready for application use via internet. True or false? Platform as a service, PaaS. It is a software stack ready for application use via internet. Yes, it is true. Dash provides interface for clients to store and retrieve files. Client server system, file server system, computer server system, none. Dash provides interface for clients to store and retrieve files. Is it a client server or file server or computer server, compute server or none? Yes, file server is the correct answer. Dash does not distinguish clients and servers. Peer-to-peer, client server, file server, compute server. Dash, yes, P2P. P2P does not distinguish clients and servers. Dash allows users to directly enter commands to be performed by the operating system. Graphical user interface, command interpreter, batch interface, user interface. Dash allows users, yes, command interpreter. Yes, yes, yes. In GUI, users employ a mouse-based window and menu system characterized by a dash metaphor. Drive, desktop, memory, none of the above. In GUI, users employ a mouse-based window and menu systems characterized by a dash metaphor. Drive, desktop, memory, none of the above. Desktop, right. The user moves the mouse to position its pointer on images called. Options Ivanamma, you should tell me. The users move the mouse to position its pointer on images called. Icon. Very good, very good. Dash provides a convenient environment for program development and execution. System programs, system calls, status information, none. Dash provides a convenient environment for program development and execution. System programs, actual system calls, status information, none. Yes, system programs. Dash programs create, delete, copy, rename, print, some set of operations. Generally manipulate files and directories. Status information, file modification, communication, file management. Yes, ma, give. Yes, file modification. File management, ma. File modification and only manipulation. Delete, copy, create, everything will be comes under file management. Dash provide the mechanism for creating virtual connections. File management. The all operations come which we perform on files comes under file management. Yeah. Dash provides the mechanism for creating virtual connections among processes, users and computer systems. Status information, communication, program loading and execution, file management. Yes, communication. Very good. Um, I'm asking you this question. Read carefully and answer this. Which of the following features will characterize an operating system as multi-programmed operating system? I'll give you three features of that. You should tell me among the three, right, which will feature, right, which will tell that operating system is a multi-programmed operating system, right? First one is more than one program may be loaded into main memory at the same time. This is the first point. If a program waits for certain event, another program is immediately scheduled. Third point, if the execution of the program terminates, another program is immediately scheduled. So among which is correct? Only 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yes. First one, see, more than one program may be loaded. Yes, I will show you the code once for this. The answer is there anyway, but you read the points carefully. Yes, all is the correct answer. See, you read this, the last one. You could able to see this? Which of the following features will characterize an operating system as multi-programmed? More than one program may be loaded. Yes, that is true. If one is waiting for event, another will start. Okay. If execution of one program terminates, another one is immediately scheduled. All three are correct. Okay, guys? In Dash, application programs are able to access the IO routines to write directly to the display. 7P. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, no problem. I gave you the attendance. Yes, listen to the questions carefully. Or else, can I post the questions, ma? It is a kind of copy paste for me. It is easy. Yeah. Options I will ask. In Dash, application programs are able to access the IO routines to write directly to the display and disk drives, causing entire system to crash when user program fails. MS-DOS, Unix, layered Mac. MS-DOS. Yes. Dash consisting of two separable parts, kernel and the system programs. DOS, Unix, layered Mac. Dash consists of two separable parts, kernel and system programs. ఎందులో ఉంటుందమ్మా kernel and system programs? MS-DOS, Unix, layered Mac. Unix, yes, Unix is the correct answer. In Unix, everything below the system call interface and the above the physical hardware consisting of dash. If you see the traditional Unix structure, right? In the middle, you have something. On top of it, you will have the hardware, and on below, you have the. What is the answer for this? Yes, kernel. Very good. Options are processes, virtual machine, kernel, and none. Sorry. Yes. In Dash approach of operating system, implementers have more freedom in changing the inner working of the system and increasing modular OS. Layered approach. Very good. The main function of the microkernel is to provide a dash facility between the client program and the various services that are also running in the user space. Options: message passing, file transfer, passing instructions, none. The main function of the message passing is the correct answer, but I am seeing very less responses. Why? Only the 4-5 members are responding. What happened to all the others? 6U, you there? ఏమైందమ్మా ఆన్సర్ చేయట్లే ఇప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ లో యు ఆన్సర్డ్ 7R. Yes, for this question you are supposed to answer first. Later I will give the chance to others. Yes. A dash architecture assigns only few essential functions to kernel and the remaining will be moved to user space. ఎందులో అమ్మా 7R. Seven R is there. Answer to the question. You want options? Monolithic kernel, microkernel, macrokernel, mini kernel. Am I audible, guys? What happened to 7R? You are supposed to answer this question, right? Options are monolithic, micro, macro, mini. Monolithic kernel, microkernel, macrokernel, mini kernel. It's microkernel. Okay, very good. 79 is there. $79. Okay. Now you should answer this, ma. Which operating systems are initially was limited by hardware functionality? Options are MS-DOS, Unix, both, only. Wait 1 second. MS-DOS, Unix, both, none. Both. Very good. Roll number 64 is there. 64. Roll number 64 is not there. 63. Yes, you answer that question, ma. Dash provides the file system, CPU scheduling, memory management, and other OS functions through system calls. Hardware, shell, kernel, memory. Hardware, shell, kernel, memory. $519 is there? 519. Yes. What is the answer, ma? For that question? Hardware, shell, kernel, memory. Yes. 519. You there? Kernel. Okay, okay. Kernel is the correct answer. The main advantage of layered approach is simplicity of construction, simplicity of debugging, both none. The main advantage of layered approach is simplicity of construction or simplicity of debugging. Yes, very good, both. The microkernel also provides dash since most of the services are running as user rather than the kernel. The microkernels also provides dash since most of the services are running as user rather than kernel. More security, reliability, both none. Yes, both is the correct answer. The macOS X kernel, also known as yes, it is called Darwin. The performance of microkernels can suffer due to the performance of microkernel can suffer due to yes, option A is correct. Increased system function overhead. The Solaris operating system structure is organized around a core kernel with how many types of kernel modules? 4, 5, 6, 7. The Solaris operating system structure is organized around a core kernel with how many types of kernel modules? 4, 5, 6, 7. guys? What is your answer? See, I gave you a diagram, right? Internally, you will have the core kernel and it is connected with so many external modules. So whenever you require that module, that will be added to the kernel, right? As a module. Yes, 7 is the correct answer. The OS design basically having these requirements. System goals, user goals, both none. Both, yes. The Linux and Windows operating system kernels are written mostly in Dash language. C, C++, Java, assembly languages. C, C++, Java, assembly languages. See, these are written in all, but mostly the kernels are written in CMA, C language. Remember, it's see most of our operating systems are written in C only, but later on they written in C, C++, Java also. A few are written in assembly level languages also, right? So this is all about your unit one bits. Let's take a break for 5 minutes. Then I will discuss unit 2 bits. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, guys? I'm getting more voice. Am I audible? Yes. Yes. Second unit bits we'll discuss now. The system which allows only one process execution at a time is called uniprogramming, uniprocessing, unitasking, none of the above. The system which allows only one process execution at a time are called uniprogramming, uniprocessing, unitasking, none of the above. Uniprogramming, uniprocessing, unitasking, none. It is uniprogramming. You have uniprogramming and multiprogramming systems, Emma. Uniprocessing systems allow, right? It is called uniprogramming. Remember, the option is uniprogramming. In operating system, each process has its own fork is the correct answer. Yes, all of the above. Why only three answers? What happened to the others? Again, you want me to mention the roll numbers to answer? Now, the roll number 7L will give the answer. 7L is there. Seven L. Roll number 7L is there. Answer to this question, please. Is she correct? Guys, give your responses. Is she correct? Yes, option is A. Seven F will give the answer for this. 7F. 7F, you there? Seven F. Yes, Chapama. What is the answer for that? Is it correct? Now, 70 will give the answer for this. Seventy will give the answer for this. Is there 70? Yes. What is the answer now? It's correct, guys. Option is D. Yeah. 77 is there? What is the answer? $72. I asked the number 72 to give 72 తప్ప అందరు ఇస్తున్నారు. Now 72 will give for the next question. Let's wait for her or he, whatever. Let's wait for 72 answer. After that, you people can respond. Vishnu. 72. Communication between two processes. Correct, guys? Okay. Now roll number 68 will respond. 68 is there? 68. Yeah. It's a bit of tricky question. Bit carefully and answer. See, you think. Let's see the other answers. $74 is the answer is correct. $74. 74, you there? Yes, the answer is C only. 6V can answer this. Roll number 6V. Six V is there. $74 not responded. 6B not responded. 68. Chepama. Can you answer? Yes, very good. D is the correct answer. 6Z is there. 6Z. Z. Not there. What is the answer for that? Very good. Yes, B is the answer. What is the answer for that? Yes, the option B is correct. It's a data structure. What is the answer for that? The entry of all the PCBs of the current process is in dash. Option C is correct. Table. Yes, D is the correct answer, guys. Yes, A is the correct answer. Yes, dispatcher is the answer. 7E. 7E, you there? Yes, answer that question. Is she correct, guys? What is the answer for this? Yes, D is the correct answer. What is short-term scheduler? వాట్ ఈస్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ స్కెడ్యూలర్? అందులోనే ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్పండి. What is medium term scheduler? Yes, it has to be swapped. Yeah. What is the answer for this? Guys, when you have OS exam? Monday, okay. So mine is second exam. So you have 5 exams, no? Monday. Third exam will be on Monday. How come? It is starting from tomorrow, no? Oh, you have exam on Sunday also. Okay, okay, ma'am. So by which day you are completing your mid exams? Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. So from Thursday again classwork resumes. Frequency, yes, the answer is correct. Yes, block is the correct answer. Is C is correct answer? Yes. Yes. Both A and B is the correct answer. It can be a single threaded or multi-threaded. Yes, B is the correct answer. I copied the answer also. Okay. Yes, which of the following is not valid state of a thread? Yes, parsing. Thread synchronization is required because I'm not giving the option for this. What is the answer? The model in which one kernel thread mapped to many user level threads. What that model is called? Read the question carefully. Okay, now you answer this. The model in which one user level kernel is mapped to many kernels. The model in which one user level thread is mapped to many kernel level threads is called. See, top lo unnadi cheppali first, then bottom. In my question, user level threads are many. Kernel is only one, so many to one. If one user, multiple kernels, then one to many. One to one means one user, one kernel. Many to many means you have multiple user level and multiple kernel level, right? So guys, that is all about all the bits from 1 and 2 units. So all the best for your exam. Prepare well. So you can get the interview questions. You can Google them according to the topic name. You can search. You can find out. Right? All the best. I am ending the class. Thank you. Should you send those documents? Which documents, ma'am? The bits. Oh, okay. I will try. You asked all the question. Yeah, I'm trying, ma. Do you have a group mail ID? Can I mail them? Yeah, someone please give me the group mail ID so that now only I will try to send.
Ma'am, I've sent it.
Yeah, I'll check. Yeah. Please confirm you received the mail. Guys, Jahnavi, mail వచ్చిందమ్మా? Yeah, okay, thank you. Right? I'm ending the call.
I got them, ma'am. Thank you.